Hi, I keep on getting to hear from people that everything changes after getting married. People start taking us for granted after getting married. They are no more the same after marriage. And the list is endless. It keeps on going. Complain about the partner is endless. It keeps on going. Do you think it's true? Or have you ever thought why it is like this? The reason is that after getting married, we are there with each other 24/7, and that is the time we are working like a mirror for each other. हम लोग एक दूसरे की अच्छाई और बुराई आपस में रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हमें नहीं पता थी शादी के पहले वो पता चलती है. But whatever it is, leaving that aside, it's quite obvious, right? Because that is the time when we get to see the raw side of the person and we need to accept it. क्योंकि हर इंसान के अंदर अच्छाई भी होती है और बुराई भी होती है. That is human nature. And try to be practical and accept it. If you accept it, you won't have much of a problem. Before marriage, during the dating period, we don't have much of stress and tension. Even if we have any such kind of thing that's troubling us, we try to push it aside because we have only few hours with each other to spend time with each other, and during that few hours we want to be just happy. We want to see each other happy. We don't want to spoil that few hours, right? Why? Because time is limited. That's the catch. Limited time. कोई भी चीज़ अगर लिमिटेड में होती है उसकी वैल्यू ज़्यादा होती है, राइट? यू मस्ट एग्री विथ मी. Anything in excess, people don't value. This you have to keep in your mind. शादी के बाद बहुत सारी चीज़ में बदलाव आएगी. इंसान की बिहेवियर में भी बदलाव आएगी. सिचुएशन जैसा होगा, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट मूड भी वैसा होगा. एंड प्लस आफ्टर गेटिंग मैरिड स्ट्रेस विल बी देयर क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. At the back of the mind, it will be there to work more hard, to work more, to earn more. Why? Because you want to extend your family also. बच्चा भी चाहिए, तो पैसा भी चाहिए, मेहनत भी चाहिए ज़्यादा, right? If you cannot handle all this stress and responsibilities, then it's better not to get married and stay single. Be happy. Keep on dating. Be there with each other for few hours in that happy go mood, right? And most important thing is during the dating phase, you all should make each other aware about your likes and dislikes, and you should always put this thing in each other's mind that after getting married we are not going to do any such thing that irritates us, or we should not cross our boundary that will lead to breakup. So marriage doesn't mean that it's guarantee now. कुछ भी हो जाए, we are going to be there with each other. This is where couples they make mistake. Marriage is our day to day, everyday experience and our everyday how we deal with each other. if you have been very good with each other for long, and one fine day if you'll go against with each other, anything that irritates each other, you'll keep on doing, then distance is bound to come in your way, and slowly that distance will lead to breakup. There are many things you need to be aware and handle accordingly if you want your marriage to go smoothly and happily. Bye. Take care.